Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video for Zephyr, ticker ZEPH. Zephyr lost a lot of its gains. You can see that from the top of 52, more than $52, it is now sitting at $16 and a half below the 0.618 fib retracement, and it is just at the edge. It has a demand zone with the distal line at 1575. It is maxing out this demand zone. On the bright side, because it is a demand zone, there is a chance that Zephyr will now turn around. But if you are trading the daily chart, then your confirmation of a trend change will only be once Zephyr gets above 32.27. What you need to see on the daily chart is a change of character, meaning a daily close above 32.27, a retest, and continuation to the upside. So the daily chart doesn't show a lot of opportunities. It could be that it is just almost oversold at the moment and it will just make another lower high and continue to dump. It's a possibility. You cannot rule it out. Let's look at the 4 hour. Maybe on the 4 hour things look better. Okay, on the 4 hour, it made a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If you want to be charitable, you could say that 2320 is also a lower high, at least on the 4 hour, and in that case what you need to see on the 4 hour is a change of character, a break above 2320, a retest to confirm that the trend has changed, at least on the lower time frame. That's not a great help as well. Let's see, maybe something else. Okay, on the bright side, the RSI on the 4 hour shows a bullish divergence because the RSI made a higher low and price made a lower low. Maybe, just maybe, it could turn around now. Maybe. I don't want to delude you, and I don't want you to take risky trades. I think the best course of action for you is to wait at least until, because I know you guys, I know that you will not do what I say. I know that you are impatient. I know that you are impatient. Okay. I think the best thing you can do is at least wait for a breakout above 1920, a retest, and if the retest is successful and it continues to above the previous high, then maybe you can take it from there. Something like this. Okay. I know that you guys like to buy the lowest price possible, and that a lot of you are, for lack of a better word, a bit of a gamblers. So I will give you this. If Zephyr will now, let's say that it made the low right now, okay, and it will get above this lower high at 1930. Okay, let's say that it went above 1930 to 21, okay? And you see a pullback, a retest. If price will reclaim again that high, the highest high, I'm talking about the wicks here, okay, that it made, then you could possibly enter this level, okay, at the previous high with the stop loss below the pullback, and your take profit target should be this lower high, and possibly if you are lucky you can ride it for higher, let's say to 40 and above. But what I'm saying is against my better judgment, and simply because I know that some of you will simply take the trade regardless. Okay? And this is a way for me to try and save you from being a total gambler. But my opinion is that you should wait at least until price gets above 23.20 and tests it as support, and you see continuation. This is what I would do. Okay? I admit that most likely I wouldn't wait until 32, but I wouldn't try to YOLO in at this level just based on the fact that it maxed the demand zone and it shows a bullish divergence on the 4 hour, because this is a very risky proposition. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much and good luck.